awareness street campaign tawang tong ina glaucoma may mik tuang disease khat he ni may mik tong laina khat he to ko ma mi ha kazan ho anyo chu zan mang mani ba no we ni chu na bam ning ba no we mi ka question ka sa na no me question pangu wa nang yo rena ka thu mas ni daw chu me de tha ho question da zara man nang yo MCQ de answer padai ti law ni na ni hilung ka ta choose su kha man nang yo ran discuss na answer kha ra ni de to me kha right me suna what is the normal ice pressure ni to normal ice pressure less than hai pang khawa to bi da ba ni kumbo.
Okay, so when we say glaucoma, okay, you are hearing for the first time? Okay, so it's an eye disease, okay? It causes you blindness, okay? So, yeah, that much I can tell you, okay? So, it's glaucoma is a chronic eye disease, okay? It causes you blindness. It's not curable, okay? It usually affect all as group, okay? If your parents has glaucoma, you have high chance of having glaucoma, okay? And you have to get your eye checked to know about glaucoma, okay? So this much is okay. So glaucoma is not contagious usually, okay, and usually affect all age group, okay. So young age group usually less glaucoma. Third thing, it is painless. It doesn't cause any pain, okay, and it's not curable, okay. Now, okay. Now you'll answer the question, okay? You ask the question again.
Okay. Which is true about glaucoma hai padai ka?
Yeah, see the option?
Salakan niya daw ni.
Which is true?
Usually painless.
Very good. Which answer is?
Usually painless.
Yeah, it's usually painless. Okay.
Okay.
So one right answer, one wrong answer. Okay. Four. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Chalo. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.มาทั้งไม่สนาทันจะหนูครั้งก็มาอันไหนกันไหนบางบางไม่ก็มาในร้านชาลาโบหาได้ถึงตรงนี้
อาจารย์ก็กันมันนักกับไม่ให้ดิ้งก็มาหนาพูดดิสิ
Okay. Good.
อาจารย์ โอเค
Review ni.
ก็ไม่ตอบว่า questions now which symptoms may appear in advanced glaucoma
floaters
Option. Matam lawi hai. You can take time. Okay. It's so fast.
smart
Okay. Which symptoms might appear in advanced glaucoma? Glaucoma di usually painless ne. Symptom kari sulaite bako. But end stage tak advanced urakan di kari symptom lakpa yabra hai bani ko. The first option is improve night vision. Night ta hen ubunungai ra he. Second option is gradual loss of peripheral vision. Nang matay degi vision tap na mamma he ko. Third is floaters. Black color में आम उड़कनी है. Fourth is double उड़कनी है. Which is true?
I think floaters improve night vision double vision
Okay. Both answers is wrong. Okay. you change the next question. Okay.
okay
So the question is mana choose tabune which does not increase the glaucoma risk. Option number 1 is diabetes. Option number B is steroid use. Option number C is trauma to the eye. Last is exercise. Ma yam smart oyo male. Your guess.
ให้ปัง
A diabetes
Do you want to change or you're okay?
the buita nice ni glaucoma tong risk ta ka umang tong so to da
which does not
Which does not increase. Yeah.
exercise
Right answer. Exercise to go. So one ama chumkre nam continue tawning bra. One yara bra. Okay. Begini ko. Okay. Hello. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Ryu. Model village. Okay.
Meta, which instrument is used to diagnose glaucoma? Nang ramningเขาให้ A B C D เขาว่าคุยแต่ครั้ง Z บ่
Tree. glaucoma diagnose tauge haragadi karamba instrument changbra haibani ko pau ko answer se pau D sini ko perimetry and tonometer ko
là dẫn nó gàng này kiểu bây giờ tìm nó mày
Dạ rồi điểm.
so 1 to 10 choose any question serial number 7 oh, open question number so you both agree or you want to change
Yes, agree.
option number B high eye pressure with abnormal disc and normal perimetry so it's a wrong answer go so the question is which is true about glaucoma go
I want to change to C.
C right so usually penless final answer yeah it's right answer okay correct answer Nico. Option D yeah it's right answer go option number D tonometer and perimetry go so if you get next question right you will win an umbrella okay okay so we'll see okay she hungry thank you so much thank you Yare ko kay de gira Dailong okay Dailong we had a oh okay glaucoma se po mit ki laina ne ko mit ki laina se ma ahan de hen effect awe ahan da ko angang de hen tawgande ani subada glaucoma se ahan ba hobudadi ana ba khot kari su yaw roi ko mit ki pressure check tawbada mit ki pressure wangalle ko ahum subada akoi diagnosis tawge glaucoma nabra nadabra hairagadi ai gi specialist laga test tawraga confirm tawgudabani ko pau ko adudi yengase pau dudi question du ko
New make normal new make to normal pressure azu ni suta normal
Normal ta 10 ini.
okay 10 to 25 okay chume apau right go chume hey okay thank you so much apau ko ira
Ito may along dalay ko.
oh taminong dagi ko hana glaucoma se tarabra po tade okay ay glaucoma maramda words kra haibige ko
Ito di ay hangang mahay din eh. Dito.
Sarina ka hoy glaucoma lam sala ka mi ka hoy geta ni la kum na hi kalam padai ti law mi long thwa glaucoma lam ho bi ta chup chuta khari
which does not increase the glaucoma risk glaucoma se po
Ni ko to exercise na ni. May pum zai heti lumam dito to. Si suai mi to.
okay exercise ko chume apo right good very good ko chume right answer ne ko gi price ne ko ha thank you so much ko mathang da amuk thengna se apo ko thank you
10.
okay
10 to
sira
10 to 25
10 to 25 right answer
right
Ko,
answer
ne yeah oh, last option se anga masa hena effect to we haye ramba chume
Usually penless.
beautiful ani chume bagi dangi price ni okay
Thank you.
okay thank you so much ko naki glaucoma se tarabra hana okay I'll explain to you okay so ako na glaucoma haidagadi ko mit ki laina amane it cause blindness tap na blind urakani ba ko usually ahan de hen effect tawe ko angang de hen ahan de hen tawe adu initially penless oigani mit na ba khut pa isu tawroi ko adu nang mit se karigumba glaucoma diagnose tawge haregadi mit ki pressure check tawgudaba mit ki pressure normal pressure se kya rakhungbra 10 to 25 ko si normal pressure ni si hengat lagadi glaucoma nabagi chance yam wangi ko adu glaucoma se laibra laitabra confirm tawge haregadi nangi mit ki pressure du aduga perimetry check tawgudabani yai ko so question we'll try with the question okay our ni 10 to 25 right answer okay that is right answer okay which one is right okay it is curable ko no glaucoma is not curable ko so right answer is C yai ko one more question hange okay increase
ni glaucoma ta shira kuma
Ay amuk lu PB ko diabetes na ba BP na ba ko mit sopa steroid kumba use to ba sinse glaucoma hen nagan bane yai ko okay na hojik ti yengo karamba oigani answer okay this is for you okay yeah thank you so much okay yeah yare ko bro ko
มาตัวมีไม่มีตวงอะไรนะค่ะตัวนักคนไทยนี่ไม่มีตรง problems ค่ะดินะมีให้กระดายสนากันเท้านุนปังเขาน่าวไม่ขาดเทก็มีกิมมีให้กลุ่มแต่นะน่าวเรากันนี่ตัวทอมีให้กายแต่มากตัวที่กินน่าวก็เขาไรก็ทอนี่สุกยังไงบิคาริจะถึงชั้นแล้วครับ
dialogue yeah dialogue is very good
ก็ไม่ต้องนี่ตัวมันใช้ตัว normal ice pressure อะจุดสุดท้าย
ah normal kya
26 to 50 से माले है
mali madam na 10 to 25 ko so ani marakta madam na chumme ko 10 to 25 okay manaba simse option number 3 4 angang macha de hen na kaman oi he karamba chumba male number C chumme ko madam ki chumme it is penless ko right answer ne ko yeah hojik amuk wrong mai da hai bio
ลูกก็มาตาหัวน้าสางหนูกันนี่ค่ะแล้วตาหัวนายตอนนี้ชูไม่ติดว่าที่มุกไทยกันที่ไหนกีน้าสางหนูกันนี่จะกบลิสต์ได้เพราะว่าน้าสางหนูที่มังสางนี่ของท่านใหม่นี่
ko nang glaucoma se kuirakan na di ko tap na mit si mam silak to ini option number B sine ko diabetes na ba BP na ba mit sopa steroid kumba use to ba se glaucoma hen na increase to halle ko sir koi gi sir se first question de koi na select to ge next is sir koi mem koi na question choose to ko so first question bitan true hai bane ko karamba chumbra hai bane glaucoma is a disease of young children angang macha hen na common oye hai glaucoma se ko ani subada it can affect any age group ko option number C it is always painful yeah B 10 to 25 beautiful right answer ko chume 10 to 25 ka wi adi ko mid ki pressure sin diagnose tawge haragadi karamba instrument use to bra hai mem gi answer law sira sir gi answer ani mak ta amadi chume bo ko karamba law sira ha oh let me try to give me powerhouse oh madam ki torchlight pick ro ma goin chapat ko okay so this is for you okay thank you so much gi one number 3 adu di sir gi family gi something piro sraf ani ka sabon ani piro angang sa libra okay writing pad to ma piro okay we will give you writing pad okay sir ko yai ko okay thank you so much sir ko yare ko madam ko number pick to ro 10 question number 10 si mari sida ahum di chumme karambara chumda base hai mem na han answer pibiro ko she is left with last two option nang sida la hani phubi are si ko ha so karambara lam base yeah glaucoma se cute over ngamde ko mem ko so this answer is B glaucoma is curiously lale ko yeah 0.5 pige marks ko good next okay how to detect glaucoma early nang glaucoma se laibra laitabra hana check toge haragadi nang kari test togani ulikan you help
CT scan and MRI scan ni scan sunina ni kumata eyes checkup sunani blood test sunina ni ECG and X-ray test sunni so he glaucoma na ni ma ni nang test sunni ta
okay Odon says B yung option ra eye checkup yeah right meet ki doctor una ka daw ne ko nice so no question na chungkre ko good next mo question okay
kini rang khani si ma tim thon nai ni ma ni tu mai thai mak tua kum te na sai new awareness sabam tong the nang nai ni ai nai ni tum ta su mai rak mai ma tim to thai mak me zarna check up ta ni to ni nai ni ma ni tu mai thai ni tha tu mai kha the glaucoma to hina hi leina zan de ni glaucoma lam khaw ta bui te chup su ta akharina mi hai nang gai me ye kanai me rina mi เราเล่าดีกว่าanswer นายเราไม่ดีแท้กิ้งจุยเราไว้ธรรมดางามแบบนี้ดีแท้ประเดี๋ยวลูกตาโอ้เฮียจุกไม่แท้นังนิวรกปาอะไรนี่
เน่เขาเน่ตรงนี่ให้ใหญ่
usually penless ko ye 120 by 18 ni na mid ki pressure su le ko normal du kya raha hai less than 5 10 to 25 26 to 50 more than 50 karma male mag mid ki pressure se karamba igni ai amu option p ge ko mid ki pressure se normal ni hairagadi option 1 si yangurunu ko ta up to 20 makha laigani ko option number 2 50 mathak ta laigani karambo igani 25 ha imanang di change toning bra mana hai base amana less than 25 amana more than 25 karamba chumba malema Okay, less than 25. Nangdi, less than 25 ra, more than 25 ra. Mid की pressure से check तो भी आए तमिलों ने check तो उन्होंने machine ले ये को तो क्या तुम ना check तो भी आए but क्या ले ये दबरा 25 मखा ले ये दबरा मथक ले ये दबरा है बा मखा और मक्का मान रहे नत्रा नो change तो नहीं रहे okay right answer ने को very right answer होली क्वेश्चन अमामु हंगनी चुम्मा बंदे prize पंगे को all the best याई को one more answer पियो something true about you go to this one yeah
ตาซาเราก็ไม่ปังเต็มทั่วระที่เด็กก็ชันนะคะใบใหม่แต่นี่แค่กลูโกมาลำข่าวตะบุยตลาดไม่สุดอ่ะกลูโกมาให้ขัดเขานางมาเย่นี่ตอนนั้นมันกลูโกมาให้น่าเราสิกายเดินหนูเด้กระทบไม่รวย
not contagious right very good Jume very good देखो that is right next option the PO
มาคารินาตีกายเดินหนูตีกายเดินหนูมังงาเราสิอันนี้ให้กลูโกมาตัวมันมีอะไรนะน่าเราตามสิตีกายวันนี้ตีกายตีก่อนนี่
oh adu di okay very good answer di lale krisu kai de ko noi price di pirani but lokoma se cute to ngamde adu ki damak tane koi si da noi bu interact to bose ko lokoma laibra laita bu khangdu o khangaga di lairaga di hidak ama hapaga kunchi tu pakari su to roi hap hodraga di tap na mit mamsila kani ko okay medam na kai de gira yung kai de gira dai long mendi dai long nandi sondam okay mo yum lape ang mag to slide piyo okay sina madam gi thank you so much okay thank you so much ko yare ko
มันยังอยู่ตรง question เลยนะนี่ลูกก็มาเลยนายมาโซ่ตัวนั้นไทยเนี่ยตัวท่าบุยตรง check up ส่วนนี้สุดท้าย CT scan ตามท่า MRI scan ส่วนนี้ eyes check up ส่วนนี้ blood test ส่วนนี้ ECG and X-ray test ส่วนนี้สุดท้ายให้ A B C D ท่าบุยตรง test ส่วนนี้สุดท้ายนี่ลูกก็มานายมาโซ่จับค่ะ blood test eye check up
okay right answer okay right
I check up ส่วนแท้ให้กลูโกมาเขาไม่มีตรงไหนนะไม่จังเลยนะนี่ไม่มีตรง check up สักครั้งแท้ก็ไม่ถ้ากลูโกมาลำเขาตะบุยแต่ซุ่มสุดอ่ะ
Anything above or must be because the community
D C
BC. Okay, come back, Pogi. C. Okay, right answer. Go. Good. So, option number B, gradual loss of peripheral vision. Okay. Option number C, floaters. And D, double vision. B. Okay, right answer. Gradual loss of peripheral vision. Okay. Good. Okay, C. Wrong answer. Go. Correct answer. You can guess the which answer is right. C is wrong. Okay. You are in which class? 5. You take one writing board, okay, and one pencil, okay. Thank you so much. Mas writing board piyoda. Piro bra. So magi kari pibiyay. Okay, thank you so much. Sabi gi siga bottle ga amadi. Pencil piyo. Sharpener si piyo.
Allah ni saya ruan.
We'll give you one water bottle and pencil. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much. Go. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay? So our final participant is Miss Guikhan. Okay. So Miss Guikhan, what is the normal eye pressure?
10 to 25.
Wow, right answer, right, 10 to 25, okay? So, the second question is, okay, glaucoma can be open angle or closed angle. Is this true or false?
False.
You want to change your answer? Okay. So, it can be open angle or closed angle, okay? That's why we do a screening, okay? The angle imaging system. You have to know your angle, okay? Have you checked your angle before?
Not sure.
You should check your angle, okay? So if it is above 20, it's okay, huh? So third thing is, okay, which part of the eyes is affected by glaucoma? Should I give you some option?
Yes.
First option is cornea. Second option is iris. Third option is retina. Last option is optic nerve.
Option D 강해 don't answer it.
So the right answer is optic nerve, okay? It is a disease of optic nerve. That's why we are very concerned about it, okay? Okay, one more question, okay? If you have high eye pressure, okay? Is it mandatory that you have glaucoma?
High chances.
High chances, but it's not mandatory, okay? So if you have to diagnose it, what are the other tests you need?
Eyes checkup.
Okay, eye checkup. Which test specifically?
Some peripheral. Something.
Yeah, perimetry. Okay. Yeah, perimetry is the right answer. Good. You have to undergo perimetry test that is going to confirm. Okay. So glaucoma can be without high pressure. We can be with high pressure, provided you have optic nerve damage. Okay. And last question for our Miss Guikhan is, okay, if you make this answer right, okay. Okay. 3 options. Okay. Which of the following has glaucoma? Okay. The first option, normal pressure, normal optic disc, normal perimetry. Second option, high eye pressure.
I wouldn't know.
Okay. Easy one again, okay?
Curable or non-curable?
Okay. One more answer, okay? So, which instrument is used to check your eye pressure? Option. Okay, option. First option is Snellen chart. Second option is perimetry. Third option is tonometer. Fourth option is Ishihara chart.
The third one.
Okay, tonometer. Right, that is right answer. Okay, thank you so much. Nang kirim prize pambra. Okay. Umbrella satin. Choose toro.
I don't know. From these two, I'll choose, okay?
Okay, then thank you so much. Thank you everyone, okay?
Sir Rangla and team for this. Sir Rangla and your team, Yam Thagachari from behalf of the Temenglong people for taking this initiative.
I think most of us, this glaucoma is something new for most of us. Aduga, the people that we have interacted, and the people who have heard about it, I believe that they must have learned something about this, and I believe that it will have an impact. And we also pray and look forward that we will have more of such awareness, which will be very helpful for our people. So thank you so much. And sir, if you have any message you would like to give, then you may conclude.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity. It was a very good interaction, I feel. Yeah, so it's a campaign on glaucoma. So what I would like to say is, every one of you, you don't need to be scared of glaucoma. You just need an eye checkup. Get your eye pressure done. If your eye pressure is more than 25, it is not a good sign. But you don't need to worry for that, okay? Just visit an eye surgeon. He will check your optic nerve. If your optic nerve is okay, no issue. But if your optic nerve is bad, definitely you might have glaucoma. So, and if you have glaucoma, okay, you have to continue the drop for the rest of your life. If we know glaucoma, we can beat glaucoma. Thank you, Tamanglong.